Hi, my name is Juliet Paiva, and I am the head of Service League. Every year, Service League has a booth at Homecoming to raise money for a charity of our choice. For anyone who hasn't been to Homecoming before, every upper school club organization sets up a booth on Middlefield with different games or activities to raise money. Some clubs have traditional booths that they do every year, but Service League has yet to find a booth idea that sticks. So last year, we decided to try throwing darts for our booth. Early on the morning of Homecoming, 2 of my fellow Service League members and I arrived on Middlefield to set up our table. We had candy for prizes, a nice sign that said Service League, and a big bucket to hang the dartboard on. As the morning drew on and everyone was finishing setting up their booths, we were told that the person who was supposed to bring the darts and dartboard couldn't come. It was 5 minutes before all the booths opened, and all we had at our table was candy, a sign, a big bucket, a folding chair, and some masking tape. We knew that giving up wasn't an option because we wanted to raise money for our charity, so we only had one option: to make a game out of the materials we had. That's how, for the next 2 hours, we took turns standing on a chair while holding the bucket, as people stood behind a line of masking tape trying to throw candy into the bucket. The game was simple, but it worked. We raised money, and we had a fun time doing so. This experience epitomizes Baldwin to me. Some things can go wrong, but we can always work together to solve the problem and have fun doing so. The all-girls environment at Baldwin allows us to be fearless when faced with adversity. We have the self-confidence to strive for success even when it seems pretty improbable. We are unafraid to share ideas, experiment, and create. The environment at Baldwin creates leaders like the girls next to me who could probably make a cool homecoming booth out of anything. Welcome to the new school year. Enjoy your time, and don't worry about making any mistakes. Thank you.